What's up everyone, Filmomits here. In this video, I will show you how to invert colors in CapCut Mobile. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now first, open the CapCut app, then create a new project. Then select the video or photo that you want to edit. So I have in here a white background with moving black dots on it. Now we just want to invert the color of this video. In your timeline, select the clip. Then you'll see these editing options appear at the bottom of your screen. Scroll through the tools and click adjust. Then swipe through the options again, then select graphs. Now you see this diagonal line. Now you can just move both ends just like this, and that will basically invert those colors. You can also do this for red, green, and blue graph. You can also try combining invert with other effects like glitch or RGB split for a more dramatic style. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check our other editing tips on this channel. See you next time. Peace out.